Able has been helping people just like you keep their restaurants and industrial kitchens clean and pest-free since 1924. A CleanSafe kitchen prevents sanitation and food safety issues, which keeps your local public health inspector happy. But did you know that it also dramatically reduces pest problems? Your kitchen is a very attractive environment for many pests. If they find a way in, it can become a source for food, water, warmth, and shelter where they can breed and multiply. Join us today to learn how to make your kitchen a CleanSafe kitchen. You can prevent food, grease, and organic buildup and structural problems from making your industrial kitchen a haven for pests. Common pests are houseflies, fruit flies, cockroaches, rats, mice, and ants. These pests pose a health concern because they carry and transfer pathogenic bacteria to food and kitchen surfaces, spreading foodborne illnesses to customers. Houseflies breed in rotting and decaying food material, carcasses, and feces where dangerous bacteria live like E. coli and Salmonella. As flies feed, they regurgitate enzymes that help break down their food. They take in that bacteria when feeding, then fly to a new food source and contaminate that area as well. A particular concern are food contact surfaces, such as countertops. Also, they urinate and defecate continuously as they travel, increasing the risk of spreading contamination. Most fly species can complete their life cycle within 1 week in warm conditions. To reduce the risk of fly infestation, you need to eliminate any possible breeding sites. These types of sites might include moisture, unclean sink drains, trash, or rotting food. So a structured cleaning schedule is crucial to help reduce and prevent pests and the health threats that they represent. Areas such as floor drains, sink drains, garbage and recycling containers, underneath counters, dry storage rooms, beer keg lines, and finally pop syrup towers. These areas need to be cleaned on a regular basis to prevent bacterial growth. Preparation areas need to be kept clean and free of any unwanted food debris. This will make it difficult for flies to establish new breeding sites. Regular cleaning of the floors is also critical. Removing the food source for rodents will again help in keeping your facilities pest-free. Cleaning schedules are a great asset to your pest management program. Having a cleaning routine is important, but a CleanSafe kitchen must also have a proper structural maintenance to prevent pests from coming in. Surfaces should be smooth and not have cracked tiles or worn grout in walls and on floors. There also shouldn't be any openings into walls, floors, and ceilings that allow for pest entry, travel, or harborages. Storage areas should be dry and shelving units should have wheels so that cleaning behind these areas is made easy. If your kitchen is structurally maintained, it will be less prone to infestation, and should pest activity occur, it will be easier to handle. The benefits to having a CleanSafe kitchen are obvious, but with people's busy schedules and with new people coming on board, it's easier said than done. Discuss cleaning routines in your weekly meetings to ensure that all staff understand how important they are to running safe and successful business operation. Here are 5 simple steps to keep your kitchen CleanSafe every day. Number 1, make a list of what specific tasks need to be done. For example, wash floors twice daily, clean pop fountain daily, power wash dumpsters monthly. Estimate how long each task should take, how often it should be done, and what tools or products are required. Number 2, assign each task to an employee. When you assign employees individual duties, they know it's their job and are accountable for that task. You might also hire a cleaning service for certain items on your list, which could be easier to manage. Number 3, provide your employees with enough time to complete the job. Staff should be allotted a certain amount of time to complete their cleaning tasks properly. Providing them the time will help ensure that they do the job right. Number 4, provide the right tools. Work with staff to make a list of the cleaning products and tools they need to complete the tasks. Asking for their input and providing the right tools for the job sends a message to employees that you take cleaning seriously. Number 5, give constructive feedback to your staff in regard to their specific cleaning duties. Whether it's positive or negative, your employees will be accountable and will want to complete their tasks properly. Following these guidelines will ensure that the people responsible for keeping your kitchen clean are motivated just like you and have the tools and time they need to keep a clean, safe kitchen.